Hello, all. A very good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Anand, and today, along with my colleague Nandish, we will take how to create animation videos on your own by using online tool session. By the way, just to let you know, today is Nandish's birthday, so please wish him in the comments. And if you like this video, also mention that so that we'll be able to create such videos for you in the future. So our sponsor for today's webinar are Visitech Solutions, which is a managed services company, FTB Trans, which is a translation company focused on Japanese language translation, V2CKK, which is a Japan-based resource augmentation company, and Rian, which is an end-to-end translation platform that helps automate the translation of documents and videos. So, as we all know, videos have evolved into a very super essential communication tool. In fact, sometime back I read that Cisco predicts by 2022, video content will account for almost 82% of the internet traffic. So, from consumers to learners, and now even with the school kids who are studying from home, everyone is looking for ways to communicate effectively, and everyone is looking for creating engaging videos as well. So we know that video is a great tool for learning, and it's a very super easy way to consume the information, but sadly it is also believed that like it is very tough and it's very costly affair to make animated videos. Well, I mean, this is not going to happen anymore because we are coming up with a lot of sessions to help you create your own videos. And in addition to that, there are a lot of do-it-yourself videos tools available on the internet that makes your life very easy to create the videos. And we are going to introduce such tool today as well. So until now, we have created hundreds of videos, and we would like to share our knowledge with you all. Today, we will show you a few videos that we have created, and the steps involved in those videos. We are creating this series of unleashing your creativity, where based on your feedbacks, we'll keep on creating useful video sessions or create sessions which will share our knowledge, and that could be like actionable knowledge that you could use in your day-to-day life or in your business. We have created a WhatsApp group, and we'll keep this like in the description and the chat. So if you think that if you want to get notified of such sessions in the future, please feel free to join. Please feel free to share it with your friends as well. In addition to teaching these tools and techniques, we are also keen on creating and generating job opportunities for you in the future. So please stay tuned. Now, let me quickly introduce you to our instructor Nandish again, whose birthday is today. So please wish him. So by the way, Nandish is a creative video editor and currently working with FTBC and Rian. He is engineer by profession and a stage drama artist by heart. He has won several awards and has been involved in creating Amazon's Prime web series as well. Uh, he started his career with TCS and currently, as you know, working with FTBC and Rian. So, without further delay, I would like to hand over this session to Nandish. Over to you, Nandish.
Hello everyone and welcome to this quick video of how to make animated video using online tools. And today we are going to see how quickly in 30 minutes you can make a video using just online tools and get an amazing impressive outcome. So after deciding on your script, there are just 5 steps that you need to follow, and we'll see those 5 steps quickly in this video. So these 5 steps are: first, selecting the template; second, editing the object; edit timeline; edit music, preview, and publish. So without wasting much of your time, directly let's get started by going into the tool. So yes, this is the tool we are going to see today. There are many such tools which you can find out in the description below. This is the tool using which you can make amazing video from your side. So there are many templates which are available. As you can see, these templates has been categorized in different type of videos, different category of the videos, and you can always click this more templates to explore much more. Here are some videos that we have created previously. You can always refer to your old videos. It will be there in your library, and you can always go back and check and re-download. So currently, for the demo part, let's go for explainer video. So whenever you click any of the template set, it will show you different videos from that particular template. You can go to see more, or you can just directly select any of these. To decide out of all the templates, you can always go for a preview of that particular template, and they'll have a video set for each and every template. Once you are very clear about what template to use, you can again go back there and just click use for that particular template, and clicking which you will be redirected to the edit mode. After getting into the edit mode, there are two options on the top side. You will see one is edit and one is create. So what is the difference between these two options? Edit option is when you just want to edit few things on that particular video and your script is matching with the video storyboard. But what if your video is quite different than they have created? Then you can always go to create and change everything that you want. So now the 5 steps come. One, template that we have already selected. Another one is editing objects. So whatever you see on this particular board, including this keyboard, this desktop, this telephone, this text and this character, everything is an object in this particular tool. You can always edit that object using these many options. You can add shapes, you can add images, you can add different videos in that, you can add props, you can add characters, you can add text. Once selecting the character, you can go ahead and editing the object. You can go to this setting icon and you will have all the options like the pose. You can flip the side, you can animate it, you can give effects of entrance and exit. So from here you can just select that. You can give motion from one point to another point. You can even swap it with another character as well. And you can just arrange it front and back. So these many options will be given to edit the object. Once deciding on the object, you can jump into the timing. So whenever you go to this line, you will see the object placed on different timestamp. Here, this meet word is being placed on first second. The character is at 0 seconds. So whenever video starts, the character will jump in. After 1 second, this text will get in. This name Jane, this text will get in 1.5 seconds, and similarly other objects. When multiple objects are getting in at the same time, you will see these kind of numbers on the timeline, and when you click that, you will get those two different things, different objects which are jumping in at that particular time. Just like entrance, you can give any particular object an exit effect. So let us try giving this object an exit effect, and that will be pop out. So as you can see on the timeline, the exit effect will also be reflected on the timeline for that particular object, and whenever you select any other object, it will be reflected. So here it is at 5 seconds, so this object going to last on this screen until the screen itself ends. So that's why there is no indication of exit effect. But yes, whenever you put any exit effect, there is an indication. You can always change your entry timing by just dragging that object, and exit timing by dragging the exit pointer of that particular object. This is the third thing you need to do, that is edit timeline. And next thing is music. So to select the music for your video, you can just simply click this music button. Here you can simply add something for that particular slide, or you can add your music for the entire timeline. There will be a preset music available for entire video. You can always delete it and select some new music for that. So let's select add music, and you will be redirected to this music tab. You can explore any track, you can upload your voiceover, you can add your music. For now, let us go with this uplifting music. Once done with the music, the final thing you need to do is preview your video, and this window will pop up. You can just play and and once you are satisfied with your preview, you can click this export button to export your preview. Here there will be many options like sharing a link, downloading video, publishing on Powtoon, publishing on YouTube. Even you can download the PPT of your particular video in PPT format like slides, and you can download PDF for the same. You can release it on Facebook. So whatever way you want, most preferably and mostly used way is download video in MP4 format. Now this video has already been downloaded, so I'm not going to export it again, but I'll just show you the one we have made. One thing you need to keep in mind is whenever you export your video, your credit will be used, and the subscription comes with number of credits. So be very careful while exporting the video. When you are very sure about your particular video, you can go ahead and export it. So this way, out of many templates available, you can just go ahead and select any of that which is matching your requirement, which is matching your storyline, and just click just use button and go to create or edit mode, and right away start making your own video, and you will end up making an amazing and appealing video for your target audience within just 30 minutes. So just go ahead and start your video today, and do share it with us. We'll be more than happy to see your creations. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay creative.